want to make into the banking sector? Jammu and Kashmir Bank is hiring for the post of banking associate. Every year, Jammu and Kashmir Bank releases recruitment notification for various posts of clerks or banking associates. It conducts a national level online test for the selection process. Today, we will talk about Jammu and Kashmir Bank exam. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth of Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the Jammu and Kashmir Bank exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Let us talk about the eligibility for Jammu and Kashmir Bank exam. A candidate must be a resident of Jammu and Kashmir for appearing in the exam. The general age limit for candidates is 18 to 32 years. For SC, STs, ex-servicemen, there is age relaxation of 3 years on the upper age limit. A candidate must have a graduate or postgraduate degree with minimum 55% marks from a recognized university. The exam pattern for Jammu and Kashmir Bank exam. The online exam will be conducted in computer-based mode. The exam will be conducted for 100 marks with time duration of 1 hour. The online test is divided into 3 sections: reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and English language. There will be 35 questions for reasoning for 35 marks and 35 questions in quantitative aptitude for 35 marks. In English section, there will be 30 questions for 30 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice and contains negative marking for every wrong attempt. If a question is left blank, no marks will be deducted for that. The questions will be asked in Hindi and English language only. So if you find let us talk about few tips and tricks for J&K Bank exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. You have to finish all the 3 sections within an hour, so practice accordingly. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve on your English. Youth for Work provides Prep Guru app for free mock test. Use it for your regular practice.